The wait is finally over. After 15 long years, the Toyota 4Runner is back, and the 2025 model is here to shake up the SUV world. This isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a total transformation that blends the rugged power 4Runner fans love with the modern features today's drivers demand. Let's start under the hood, where Toyota has made some serious changes. The old V6 is gone, replaced with a cutting-edge iForce 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It delivers an impressive 278 horsepower and 317 lb-ft of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This setup isn't just more efficient, it's more powerful, giving you extra torque for off-road adventures and daily drives alike. But that's not all. If you're looking for next-level performance, Toyota has something special, the iForce Max hybrid powertrain. Found in trims like the TRD Pro and Trailhunter, this powerhouse combines the turbocharged engine with a 48-horsepower electric motor for a total of 326 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 465 lb-ft of torque. Whether you're climbing steep trails or cruising with heavy gear, this hybrid system delivers unmatched power and efficiency. It's Toyota's bold answer to rivals like the Ford Bronco, and honestly, it might even steal the crown. Inside, the 2025 4Runner brings a tech-forward upgrade without losing its rugged charm. The base model features an 8-inch touchscreen, while higher trims add a massive 14-inch display and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Add in conveniences like a smart key system, wireless charging, and USB ports galore, and you've got an SUV that's as connected as it is capable. But this isn't just about screens and horsepower, it's about legacy. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner combines its legendary toughness with the future of hybrid technology, creating a vehicle that's ready for any adventure, from the trails to the city streets. It's not just an update, it's a whole new chapter for the 4Runner. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner marks a triumphant return, blending its legendary off-road heritage with modern innovation and power. With advanced hybrid performance, cutting-edge technology, and a design that stays true to its rugged roots, it's more than an upgrade, it's a revolution. Whether tackling wild trails or urban streets, the new 4Runner redefines adventure, proving that the king of SUVs is back and better than ever.